Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rotating animation on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in my video. I'm just going to zoom that in as well, and then to create that rotation animation you're just going to select the rotate here on add keyframe, and then you can go to like another frame and like rotate it. But then as you can see, there's still some of the backgrounds, so you might want to actually, this is a little bit better, add in a keyframe here so that when you go here and kind of like rotate it, you can scale it up, and then again like here I'm just going to rotate it this way and then rotate it this way, making sure that there isn't any gaps, and I'm just going to put it back to its original rotation and its original scale. Well, not its original scale, but I'm just going to kind of zoom out a little bit. And that's basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!